So you, alias, suck good and you suck pussy. Yeah, leave. Yeah, leave. Take up the things I'm going with the things them. You been take out your clothes them from the other day. You never have no clothes over there. Because you been take out your clothes them from the other day. You been take out your clothes them from the other day. So you don't have no clothes in there, you take out your clothes them. You draw with the whole parrot shit them where you show. I'll show all my passport. Right? You reach your show. Y'all leaving a go on? Where you show? You know what about me? You don't have nothing in there. And y'all leave. All you have in there is 2 pieces of clothes and you're leaving. Take them up and go on. You don't have to video nothing. You was there 12 years. And how long you living at the muck? How long you living at the muck? How long me living at the muck? You live there. So why you take up on a video and a show and you live there too? You live there, so where you take up on a fucking show and there you live? Where you show and there you live? Eh? You make a liar, them call you in your ears and tell you what to do. Oh, if you don't in there when you live, just for some pussy like dog. I want me not be there to eat up my whole. Me not ask like my money I spend. You have to wash, cook and clean all my blood up jars, but just throw it down and you have to wash it. I'm gonna ask you that. So you go come like you have blood clot things. Everyone in my family boy you. Don't tell my mama everybody. Boy you right out. You know nobody pan the net. Relax yourself. I'm going to tell her that already before. I tell her I don't want to get there. And I'm the one that I don't want to get there. But you're like chotary like your things. JT, I think all your body. Me I do threesome with man in a bed. Yeah. I'll threesome me I do with man in a bed. But just tell okay, man, ooh, and a batty man a fuck you, and a batty man a fuck me. So when the batty man fuck me, your son a come suck it out. You forgot? I hear name fan him say my pussy in your mouth. Oh, and my pussy in your mouth. Oh, you run out the ear one come. You live over the gully and I run out and the ear one come and I want beard. I want to broke out hungry. From special to a special. I will never make my money run you. I never like Jake's mama, you know. I see me come on TikTok. And them actually licky. She come and friend me up. I never like her for morning. Because she fling big stone and lick me and chanta in my belly. I never lose my I never like her for morning. And one day I'm going to see her asleep. My man said, June, just put the pillow over her face and sit down and just put the pillow over her sleep in the house. And I might say, just put the pillow over her blood clot face and press it out. I mean, I say, you know what? Now I make the devil rule me. But just lower, I say, look at them, I waste people like easy to catch. Yeah, I run out and I argue about my finger, your son, body. Come have to do what me like. Anything what me like, him have to do it. And anytime I fuck my pussy, I have to get sucked. Anytime. So I don't know what the blood clot, you know, run out. Like, you can run out and blood clot. Me. Remember good, no? Remember blood clot good. My finger your body wall. Me finger your body wall, Jakes. And you lick up my body. You have to do the things that mama like. Door and prid me. You run come over like your things. And I come feed her in a blood clot house. You know, take up the things that I'm going, where you're going to leave me alone. Eh? You're there. You're not in the move. You're not blood clot, move. And when you don't want blood clot, move. And my mama, you want worried. And I go look at my mama and tell my blood clot, mama say, she can't get out and you not live till when you feel like. You not leave. And woman I say, go on. Your kids, them are not here. Your baby man of the day, you know, must go on. So all that hype for your hype. Eh? The same bed we are sleeping last night and sleep in last night. Relax to Angela on my phone. The same bed we are sleeping last night. You get up this man and have you in a drawer. At the same bed they sleeping now. The same bed we are sleeping last night. You get up. This man in the same house you sleeping last night. I know you know move where you go. Oh, I have apartment and I move go where? And all on the family across. Where I move go? Ain't where I move go? Where the fuck you move go? Yo. Eh? With the blood clot you move go. And I'm a blood clot also can't all Friday like go fuck her and suck her pussy. Pa my bed. You talk about you crashing out, never crash out pussy. And you go fall. And you wake up this man a video in the wood up a ratchet them in my clothes. They take off every suit. Pussy. Eh? Your house enemy, back and belly rat. Your house enemy, back and belly rat. Rosealee mockers. Your house enemy, back and belly rat. And you are a man who there. Eh? Your baby man want you move. Your baby man want you move out. You don't fuck the girl in my bed already. Alright then. Mr. Alex said, come catching my blood clot, better fuck Jakes. I never talk when I do to you right so. But Ale you bright though. Mother Goose daughter. Mother Goose daughter, Ale you bright though. Cause look how far you left and come in and come fuck on my bed. And make me find out. And him been a fuck you long time. So I'll come where you come to me other daytime, him been a fuck you. And people are tell me say you're not a fuck. That make me no want him around me. Cause him been a fuck you. You could have a heads. Can't walk and self-fuck like that, you're my sister. Him fuck my sister too, you know, but anyway, we're not going to do that. So everybody in my house I meet. One day, I go up on the road and come back. Go buy food for me and him. I come, I catch him in my mother's room. And she just come out and wash for her face. I mean, I say, I was just in my mother's room. Fall asleep. You know when I just don't fuck and fall asleep? And when me asleep, you fuck them, you fuck everybody. All my mama, my sister, my auntie, and I'm out them all. You want to come like get things? Eh? Stinking mouth boy. And if you kiss me, not kiss you. And I say that. Me not kiss you. You mad? And if you kiss me, not kiss you. Eh? You are going like your blood clot things. My feed and my mind and my clothes and my shelter for years. And you are left. You not take up a 2 pieces of clothes and buy and go on with it. May that hurt me. May that hurt me. Yeah, left. You come on the internet. Oh, me I get apartment and me I live. Alright, fine. No problem. You're leaving, fine. You know, take up my clothes and go on. Where your video? Where your show? You don't buy nothing put in there where you show, where you show. Where you video and a show. You take out the passport, the few pieces of clothes that I have, and the 3 boot where you have. Me buy 2 and triple buy you 1. You take them and you go on with them and the 2 pieces of clothes that I buy you and go on with them. Simple. We no argument in it. You take about 2 pieces of clothes and when you buy you and you go on with it. Simple. Where you have video. You're a mama man, you're a waste man. How you make a lie of them running in a video the place for them to laugh off of you. You know, man. Any dirty drawers when I have any dirty, you have to wash it. So if the jar sit black, you have to wash it. And you wash all drawers. That is what you was there for. Some don't know. You come on social media like your things. Ask the world to see you. And ask your mama. You have to wash clothes and jars. All if it's bloody, you have to wash it. Come just take them off and throw them down and say, hey, wash time. And some didn't have you. So you have to that show people like your things. Eh? You're a sissy. And while I'm going to go chat me, I have to this year. You run and come go like me attack you. Me not attack you. But I have my knife. Because I know you like run come lick. And I wait for you lick me. So when screen a card page I put up, oh, me attack you. Me can't attack you, I'm standing right there. And when they start to create chaos, and one of them are all on pan you, come why you let me come and say my plan to take 3 or 4 out. Back it off from my hands and go in for the go in pan you. Yeah. You're gonna come from find me feed her with my money, she borrow all my money. Me give her my money. I'm June, lend me this. I'm gonna give her, I'm gonna say Caan of them like you. Actually, you can't build one room, run where she live now, because she couldn't build that. She there for 10 years. The whole of her croft. All your mama will live over the gully. With your croft self. She give you a long time. And when I have the gun charge, she never go one day go visit your stinking blood clot. And that's where you go live with when Mama Angela along a blood clot Portland. All your mama say I run over give her 6 pitney them. She have 2 a guard me if I look upon them when them come. Cause she not mind pitney. She give away you, Aisha, Sunchi, Dante and Jojo Spoon. Go live over the door if walk and take self fuck. Like she have things. She don't even own her bed. Me say I tell me about dirty clothes. Woman when I like beard, we wear close to 3 days. What part this stuck up in her pussy and make sure stink and tell me about dirty clothes. Rotten mouth woman. Rotten mouth woman and tell me about dirty clothes. And dirty, don't go over the dirty yard, dirty like your mouth. A beer rotten teeth in your blood clot mouth. Beer rotten teeth, the head one comb. The last time your ear come and me give you money for comb it. $5,000. Every time you come here, every time you see me, my daughter and you can't beg this. Remember me feed you. How you no work? So we are run out like your things. Or to your son, the player make look at that and feel like you reach somewhere. When you tell your mama man son say, look boy, you left the woman yard, go on and leave her alone. Take out the clothes and avoid her. You have to prove a point. What in the house when me would have charged you for coming and left the money in there? But on the 2 pieces of clothes and the 2 pieces of old furniture, but when me I leave me now, I'm just there for a temporary time. But just go and catch there. Not at all that belongs to you. You don't buy a furniture there. I mean, look at the kitchen, I mean, look, painting there. When the bathroom for clean, I mean, clean it. I'm not physically going to go clean it, I pay my mother money for clean it. And pay her money for tied up in there. Can't be busy. Some say, it's your money, you sweep up in and wipe up in and tied up in here. What the fuck you there the other do? You have my money. How long time you fuck Alina Jakes? Long time you fuck Alia. Long time you fuck Alia. Long time. I say me find out that tell me say I lie. You know I fuck her, I lie. People I tell. I still hide and fuck her. And go like a slick. Are you? Come remember me finger your body hole. I have to make my finger come like them fetishes there. Don't ramp with me. So I come here calm. I not even a cry. Because sometimes some things hurt me in a life, I not even cry. I feed you. I feed you. I feed you. Clothe you. Shelter you. Have your back. Are you really blood clot come and make liar call about video in the house? And see the people me all live. And I in there sleep last night. Oh, cool you be. Eh? Oh, cool you be. And in there. Why me I tell you say just call. Boy, me I tell you say judge a star. "12 years me I sleep with my enemy. 12 years. 12 years me there with that pussy and I sleep with my enemy. 12 blood clot year. Every time I drop money, you take my money go buy fuck from Aliyah. See you start make your own now you're carrying on my bed. Look how the shit black and dirty Aliyah. But Aliyah them are germs still. Aliyah them are germs. All of them a long time so good. All of them breed from them are 14. And the baby dead in her. All of them are germs still. All of them are long time germs. Long time germs. But my pussy good. In my yard, my pussy good. Me use my throat like the boy cocky. All of your germs. Mother goose starter your germs. It's a fucking germs. I say you can't face me. And my sister will know my mind for your blood clot pitney. Get money for buy baby clothes and baby in her belly. Eh? And the town of fuck jakes on her germs. When is that set of germs? When is that set of germs? So we see where your money I got jakes. Come know you're not build, me know you're not build, don't build no blood clot out. Me know you're not build, don't build no blood clot house. Alright. It's a state one up half of me. And you your whole family my cruff. You and your whole of your family my cruff. By your mama side. Not down a opiate because don't them a hustler. Don't them a angel and open down them that's a hustler. You and all of them a cruff. You and your mama a cruff. Your mama give you and everybody for dead. I'm gonna take up your blood clot, brother. My mind and put in my mind all you. And your clothes and big oxtail pants and your belly full. And sleep and eat and drink. And you have video and leave. You don't take up things that man blood clot one. Take up your blood clot things that man go on. You're going to look at my mother and tell my mother, say, oh, you're not leave until when you feel like in there belongs to blood clot you. And company like a thing. So, when you have video, you never tell liar, them say, I in there sleep last night. My sister tell me I should reach. She tell me, say, come here. Get rid of the dirty junk. I said, well, yeah. So she said, yes. Anisha, the one where you show up on the bed, she tell me. I'ma just ask my mama before me leave. My mother says, him and Ale in the Friday night. So I said, where him sleep last night? She said, in there him sleep. Mr. my Wi-Fi, the boy I get one card and plug in all back Wi-Fi. As long as I use Wi-Fi. I've got to sleep on my bed. Eh? You have got to sleep in on my bed. On my bed, you know? On my bed. So, like how me not there, you fuck Alia up on my bed. That means say when me there in there, but in the house you fuck Alia. You don't care going away. So in the same house you fuck everybody. How dare you can girl come fuck on my bed, so pussy jakes? How dare you? Lick out your blood clot you. Can girl go fuck on my bed. When me buy. How dare you can girl go fuck on my bed. Look how hotel cheap. And a Friday night, they fuck up on my bed, you know. That means so when you have the collage, you know the back of people, me I leave, you not leave go nowhere. You're right there. When you over have to be, oh, me I leave and me I get an apartment and me I take out my things and me I call Chuck, you know call no Chuck, we have to go to Chuck. The pussy juice and me you choke back, you have to go to Chuck. Just have a more than another them 2 finger here. Me not ask Christ that. Don't ramp with me. You and create full. Don't ramp with me. You're gonna get things. Rosealee pretty freak. You're gonna get things. You mean the internet get you and the bag of people that like me, sit down and chew tired for do the things them. And then that fly up in the head because you feel a reach somewhere. And all I do I beg you to leave. Say if me have dirty pad underneath my bed, you could have leave the dirty pad under there and just go on. Simple. And mama man disgrace woman. And show this and show waste man, mama man. But you're waste man anyway, so. You're waste man anyway, such a waste man, mama man. You see I left woman and figure this and put up this and lick this and lick that and lick that and lick that. You're waste man, you're mama man. You're real tech fuck. You behave like a girl with a tech fuck. Cause only a girl with a tech fuck are about that. I move, I leave somebody place, I want something for sure. Say I was there. Yeah, I leave. Whenever I leave the passport, I'm going to take out for you. And the passport, I have a meeting to me 7,000. Whenever I leave with it, whenever I leave it. And the clothes, I'm going to buy you, should I leave the clothes? Right about now, the clothes, I'm going to go see the clothes in my money buy. Down to the underpants. Just if you really leave, you have to take off your clothes. Believe you leave me wealthy alone and me leave you naked and bedless. You leave me wealthy and lonely and me leave you naked and bedless. You don't have a bed and you're 31. Clock tees. You want a bed. You want some clothes. You want got the blood clot that's going to brush off the pussy. Stain them off of your teeth. The shit stain them off of your teeth. You want God then to go take off. You have somebody for stinking bump in your blood clot face. I just squeeze them so you have to run. Not to mention the big dirty one where the day I saw me use my 50,000 and cut. So you can click live and actually show your blood clot face. Look how my mind you and feed you and close you. And you really come on social media like you want to come bring me blood clot down. You can't bring me down nasty jakes. Shit mouth jakes, you can't bring down a gal boy, yeah? I work up the whole of my family and can't balance any of them all. One by one, we go up the hill. We freak you out. One by one, we freak your blood clot out. One by one, we freak you out and go up the hill. Yeah, things? Yeah, leave and go on. Take up your things and leave and go on. Who would need this? But what? You make a liar truth to you. For say, when you leave video another place because she want to laugh. All she wants is a fucking laugh, you know. That's all them want. That's all lion Skyderman them want a fucking laugh. Because them don't give two fuck about you. Because if lion Skyderman them they give two fuck about you, you wouldn't sleep in the same bed last night. They don't give a fuck about you. They just want to laugh at you because them can't laugh off of me. Them can't laugh off of me. Them can't laugh off of me. And you never gonna laugh off of. When my class them gonna laugh off of yo. He's a pussy sucker and a body nyama. Because when me a fella do threesome in a blood club, and me see her pump the man out, me see it. So what the real bad so? There must blood clot, yo. When me and you do threesome with man in a bed, me go clock tease no pussy. You know no reputation. Don't ramp with me. You are Rosealee mockers. You are Rosealee mockers for life. Some of you know where you feel like you are things. All of my drawers, them and my dirty clothes, them, you have to wash them. And make sure them clean. That's what it was there for. But just cut it up and give you. And everything hard. Cause I like it. And I just know if I'm a 20-year-old. So don't. Boy, you left wealthy and lonely. I'm gonna leave you naked and don't have a bed. Where you gonna sleep tonight? Where you gonna sleep tonight? Liar, I'm gonna put you up. Liar, I'm gonna put you up. Sky, I'm gonna put you up. Where you gonna sleep tonight? Come lock my blood clot down and how you're going to the house and lick after lock me, I lock you up. Anyhow, me lock my door and you lick off the arse and staple, you're going to go sleep. I'm say in there pull up that hole, you lick off the lock and you press me door and going to go sleep. Me I lock you up for breaking and entering. Me in the day I'm gonna whine the people them all dirty house, I'm catching her. Me no want you there no more. I mean I talk it publicly. Anytime you lick off the lock and go to me I lock you up for breaking and entering. I'm serious. I'm serious. Me I lock you up for breaking and entering because you not live there. You say you're leaving. Fine. But tell my mother change the lock. When she leave lock the door. Man, just some pussy like that. I'm a back here lick out.
Think about me out.
Friend of blood clot, yo.
Sure say it now.
Lick me and you sit tonight. You know what come blood clot lick me? You know what lick me? You know what blood clot lick me? To be friend of you?
Wallace. Wallace.
Good.
Yo, come Wallace.
Good night. Good night.
Wallace.
Good night. You're so pussy like dog.
No man, don't do that, you know.
Lick me up.
Don't get it on no channel.
Lick me up. Lick me.
Don't get it
You're
on
so
no
pussy like dog.
You come on now.
No, make she get it.
Jingle, yo, that no jingle.
No, bro. Please. Jim Brown. Come on, some drink, brother. Okay, Jim Brown. Jim Brown. Bro, please.
So why you play easy at
Bro,
night?
easy, bro. Just easy.
So why you play?
Up here go, dog. Listen up. I don't want to listen, Please, Easy, bro. You know something, bro. Easy, bro. Bro, what you brother? Easy, no me like dog. Work a win. Easy, make shit go on with it. Easy, man. Still can't win, bro. I'm gonna laugh full harder. Yo, watch you now. Cut your line, GF, so no leg I road in the evening. We don't want to see no man on the road.
You know she have a come here, bro. Win GF easy, bro. Alright, yeah, tell him just win, bro. Win, bro. Remember, you have the subject, them, and you have the sense, bro. Win, bro.
No, why? So I'm a murderer, brother.
No, but
No.
Can't mash it
No.
life, man. Remember you
What
pick
the
them.
fuck the Jew?
Remember you
No.
pick them. No,
She
remember
ain't
you
important more than you see
pick
them.
them, man.
She ain't important more than them.
And them. You want
You make them there, my friend. You work for them there.
You're picking them, man.
Always remember that, dog.
Remember you picking them.
She might be bare fruit, bro.
Yeah, but you are the
But I
guy.
have the seed, my friend.
Remember your kids.
Always remember that,
Yeah.
dog.
But that makes it tempting. Don't make it tempting.
She not come to the man who like say, yeah, this is something man I feel like say, we have a Lord man to make him in a tumble down to make people have bad name.
Yeah.
She have part. No! No! She gonna come say worse. We know that already.
Oh man, no, that's
We know that already. And as she come, win, bro.
Oh.
No, she.
This no TikTok in front of me, you know.
She gonna come,
You know.
bro.
Just
You know. You know, bro.
Remember you picking them, man.
No, we're not busy. No, cut, we're not busy about the relationship. We just want to know what's outside born and this, man. You see me? Yeah, that's the thing then. No boy to you, man. No, man.
Try dog them this side. Yo, GX. Come here, bro.
I forget back your kids, man.
My yo, you know, can't go get in the safe, no problem right now, my friend. Focus, just on my friend. You dog him tell us the words that when you think I cap, bro. Focus, my killer.
No, I'm
Can't make girls dry out, bro. I'm telling you, my friend.
You know that.
You can't make girls dry out, bro. The words are win me killer, dog. I'm telling you, friend, dog. You be a man that you gonna tell you anything for hurt you right now, because 2 hours in a red.
Yeah,
You see me?
really
2 hours, my friend, and respect on the dog. Don't get in the safe, no problem. No, bro.
respect to them,
Bro, skull. Don't get in the safe, no problem right now, my friend. Yeah, focus on my killer, man. I be man, you know, so she go talk, man. Make she talk and just lower her, man, my friend, man. Walk her off, man. You see it, my side, just walk her off, my friend. Don't get yourself, no problem, bro.
Believe. Believe, my friend. You don't need that right.
What do you mean by why I'm going over there? I think it's there I live. I'm gonna leave them till when I'm ready. I him for leave. What do you mean by why I'm going over there? When by why I'm draw a knife? I don't understand. You by why I'm draw a knife? You by I shouldn't draw a knife? You by I shouldn't draw a knife? Go over there with intention. You understand? Stop manipulating fool here. Cause me never rush him. Attack me, attack out of my mouth. Me have my knife in my hand to defend myself. I know me not rush him. You see people come out and palm me? This is not sense. You see people come out and palm me? Like you see people come out and palm me. You see people come out and palm me? You see people come out and palm me? Who people are and palm me? You don't have sense by the internet. You see people come out and palm me? Who in a rage? Who in a rage? Me only attack out of my mouth. Who you see in a rage? Him people are and palm. Him people are and palm. Me unprovoke him. Huh? Tell him go on to the station. Yeah. But you shouldn't go down there with a knife. You brighty? I like how someone want to eat that girl. I don't want someone want to eat. Talk to me. Yeah. Look at the comment section. Who don't want to listen, stop talk to me. Yeah. So it'll work, yes, so. Provoke one. I never in a rage. Me I talk to the good people, Me I talk to the good people, Me I talk to the good people like Bella, where I've sense. Me not talk to my idiot, fool girl. I go there. I tied up my place. Him coming at the house. And my sister see when him coming there. Right? You know me there at the yard. Why you left and where you left from and come in at my space? You talk about provocation. Why you left where you left from? You say you move in your apartment. You say you move out in your apartment. So you move for go stand in front of my yard. You move for go stand in front of my yard. Where they do you live in front of my yard? So who in a over space? You say you move out. You should have go show your apartment where you go sleep. You should have show you where you go sleep and day where you sleep and do your live. Why you move? Why you there with the Wi-Fi there? You say you move out. Right? You say you're moving out. We don't have no problem with that. Why you leave from where they come way in front of my yard for me see you? So, Jakes forgot. Jakes video in the house. Show the rat shit in the jar. I'm not for say nothing. Pan the net. Because I don't want to calm me down. So I'm not for talk. I'm just sit down and take everything coming a human being. Jakes me say I let mama come on social media. I hear, watch out. Up me a mouth, Marcia. You come on social media, up me a mouth. We see your dirty mouth. We see your dirty mouth. But sure say nothing about look at your mama. For sure say nothing about it, Jake. Look at your mama. Look in her mouth. Look in your mama mouth. See your mama mouth look bad? One team thinks so, the next team thinks so. I hear pull out so. For sure say your mama and nobody. Look at your mama. Man say you can class me. Or over the gully you live. You don't even have no good furniture. You don't even have a good slippers. You don't even have a good clothes. You can class me. You can class me. You reach all in a light business and all that blah 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 blah. All type of blood clot story. Who will never ask you. Cause you want to come up on the media in your mouth chaka chaka and stink. Look in your mouth. You zoom up and looking at Jake's mama mouth and say them are dirty people. Look at your mama. Look at your mama. Look at your mama mouth. Look at your mama. Look at your mom come on the net and I shut off her mouth. Marcia Gosso. Gosso for me now, please. Kaki look out to your teeth. Your germs. Remember you give a Jake some Jakes a pitney. Remember you in a mind pitney give the whole of your blood clap with them. So you come and church with Galia. So which one you pitney me grow? You're careless like them. Which one you pitney me grow? Marcia the walkless mama ever book up on dry land. Dead rat. Which one you pitney me grow? You come on social media. Allah you tell them blah blah blah. Allah you tell them blah 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 blah. Allah you tell them blah 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 blah. Which one you pit them you grow? Ask Jakes who grow him since I lie me I tell. Ask Sunchia who grow her. Ask Aisha who grow her. Ask Dante and Juju Spooner who grow them. Master remember where the gully you live. You don't even live nowhere. Ask her where your lot number. You live like dog to pussy clot. And want to come size up on the net with people. Master, you live like dog. You live like a dog. Jake's mama live like dog. I do all scheme know that. Run the survey and a miss. Remember a pussy and mouth you sell at night time. All type of man fucking you one hole. All you hold them. Remember a pussy you sell. Master, me not like beard. So me know where you come and say like your things. Remember you not like beard. The last time I tampered stuck in your blood clot pussy. I make you ass rotten for days. You stink. So me know you come on internet like that. Looking at your mouth. You are class, me are looking at your mouth. So me say your son suck pussy like dog. Eh? You say Jake's brother come over here? Now I'm start pa uno. Two. Come with class everybody. Eh? Must you can't argue with me? Sing the pie, remember say your blood clot uncle go hang himself. Sing the pa uno. Your granny a obia waka. When she dead them find with papa and people in our house. Remember when your granny did them find up apartment people in no obia walker. At town no tie Jakes family that's why I no want to leave. We are come on social media come say. Rat them out, Marcia. Look at your mouth. Your son there on the internet am doing blood clotting and there me yard him. I know me yard him there. And him over here telling people about him I go get apartment and him I go rent apartment and him I go rent him apartment and him I go get him apartment. With the apartment the him say I go get. You move out, you come stay in front of my yard and each part my wife have to do your life. Just where you go sleep tonight, I must put your mama on the 2 mattresses on the whole bed. Ma say your girl on my feed. You come beg money for do all your year. Your ear never comb it. And the last time your ear come and me comb it with my money. Your girl on my feed. You can't class me. I mean, you have one good suit. You have one. Me know you have 2 good pair of slippers. Over the gully you live. You know nobody. I'll dog fuck you. So when you come talk about Rosealee, talk about good Rosealee, top class girl. You are waste woman. You mind Pitney? You mind Pitney? You give her Jakes, you give her Adrian, you give her Aisha, you give her Sunshi, you give her Dante, you give her Jojo Spoon. 6 Pitney have you give her the whole 6. We look on social media do. Master, you have 6 Pitney, you give her the whole 6 of them. We are class. Which one of them you mind and grow? I'm Mummy Joy mind Jakes. I'm Mummy Joy mind Jakes. Auntie Jella take care of Adrian. Aisha father take her. Son she, you couldn't find she one time. One time son she missing off on the map. You don't know which part of the world son she there. Dante and just wanna Danny mind them. So I don't know where you come past social media though. What should they put in my mind? I pay a crablos and junk fuck you. You don't even look good. You don't even look good for company me that way your class, girl. Me I tell you, your batty man, your fuck son. When me take my 2 and a finger in batty, me I tell you upon him, why I can't answer. If I lie, me I tell you why I can't blood clad answer. Me and you know say my whole family boy him out. Me and you know that. So you come to about lie me I tell. When I regularly cuss them and tell them say them are germs. You forgot? Eh? All type of man fuck you. Dog, rat, cat, sat, mat. The whole of Jakes them fuck you. And you're easy. As you no drink rum, you no skin out. What do you rum do, man? Rum pengeleng dirty woman. What do you? Rum pengeleng dirty woman will smell bad like cokehead. What do you? The whole of Jakes friend them fuck you. Cause you like fuck young boy. And you're a big dirty hole. The whole of Jakes friend them fuck you. You take on run young street for them at 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Yeah, smarty. The whole of Jakes friend them fuck you. The whole of Jakes friend them fuck you. I who know want fuck you, suck them old. You're a rat. You're not nobody. No program over here, so. Come on, you know, we click like you look for frowns and thinking pussy are going like your blood clot things. You want beard. And you're more dirty. We are come and shut off your blood clot, so good mouth, like your things. Look at your mouth, look at your head. Eh? Your son over here make money, he would even give 110,000 to brush your teeth. Look at your head. $1,000 solve your problem. 1 cream, shampoo, and conditioner, and 1 tail comb. Go comb your head, miss. Next you come and Marcia Wignall. Marcia Wignall, aka Jakes, Mocha's mama, fucky ducky and lucky and plucky. Dirty big woman live on the blood clad gully. Tintin woman when I watch draws. When I come on social media talk about Rosealee, comb your ear and go beard. When I come here talk about Rosealee, comb your ear and go beard. You know nobody. You is nobody. Nobody be. When I come on social media talk, you come here, you got beard. You stay bad. For one come on social media, come talk, but you're looking at your mouth. Say that again, mouth a blood clot, a farm blood clot. Your mouth kind of a farm frat and a blood clot like cocky sperms. Remember, Jakes for them use them blood clot ball. Put them balls in their mouth there for gaggle it. The whole of Jakes friend them fuck, you can't use it for fuck. Oh. You run up on blood clot platform like your things. I click like your all eyes on a look loud. Jake's Batman friend. Jake's a so good flying. Remember me see you so good. You can't address nothing cause that's the blood clot out. You want to talk the truth. I want to them and I want them one. You can't address nothing. I just the blood clot truth. You go like your blood clot things. But I'm not ever gonna follow her. You can't follow me and adjust me. You want a bed. You want a bed. Like how your mama can come on the internet, buzzing and bright and ready for class. Why can't she put you up? Check the racial tract. Jakes, like how your mama come on the internet, brazen and bright. Why can't she put you up? Because she don't live nowhere. And over the gully where she chat, over the gully where she blood clot catch, the boy was she a fuck younger than you. Over the gully where she catch, and the young boy was she a fuck younger than you. Master, remember about 2 grand and 3 grand fuck you sell you hungry. Now look pa uno. Oh, I hope a time I quench your thirst and stop your gap. Uno and grateful. Yeah. Like how you no drop. Put up your son. Like how you run with this. TikTok, run with this. Like how you run out for the drop. Put up your son. Where you can't put up your son? Marcia, like how you run out. Marcia Wigner, like how you run out for the drop. Why you can't put up Jakes? Him be mother put him out while you can't put him. Can you live now, eh? If you come with that pitney. And them pitney them can't say them grandparents can you live now over the gully you live. Why do you not want to leave me alone, man? How are the Jakes? Not even with a blood clot, this, you know. How the Jakes and Jakes dirty crosses still family, man? How about the gully you live? Nobody like you, man. Say your class, your mama dog rotten. I want you to come from foreign and me by your phone. Yeah. When you come from foreign and me by your phone, I don't know what you do with it. God bless, thank you. It's me by your phone. It's me by you phone. So I know all comes here on up on social media and a chat about light and gal and stab and like you want to put one all up and mix up and a lie and this and she tell lie and this and that. Why you, like since I don't lie me I tell myself why you can't put up your son? Show them in the way you live for me now please. Show them the board. Show them the board corner. Show them the board also you live in a miss. And out in there dirty and stink. And full up a whole heap of dirty clothes. And a 2 mattresses sleep on. And them sit down in a wall. Show them over the gully where you catch. You don't even have good flooring. Show them look at tattoo you catch up in her. Show them so you're not living a life. Show them so you're your son a cruff. Next time when you run out down drop, you don't live nowhere like your son. You want a bed. Marcia, you want a Marcia Wignall, you want a brand new bed. Brand new. Just buy. There's somebody sleep out and throw you pick it up. You there somewhere? You don't even want a stove. You don't even own a stove. Why me I do this, God? You don't even own a stove. You don't even own an account. Look at him out, yaki get and chaka. What just wait? My son really make take social media for some clown business, you know. Look at what class me. You don't even own a stove. Queen Bella is in a Jake's mama out. You see them hard people. Whoa.